The Caribbean is home to some of the most breathtaking travel destinations in the world. From the turquoise waters of Jamaica to the lush rainforests of Dominica, there is no shortage of stunning places to explore. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach getaway or an adventure-filled vacation, the Caribbean has something for everyone. One must-see destination in the Caribbean is the island of Barbados. Known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture, Barbados offers visitors the chance to relax on pristine white sands or explore the island's rich history and lively nightlife. For those looking for a more off-the-beaten-path experience, the island of Grenada is a must-visit. With its lush, mountainous terrain and stunning waterfalls, Grenada is a nature lover's paradise. Visitors can also explore the island's vibrant spice markets and colorful underwater world while diving or snorkeling. Lastly, the island of St. Lucia is another top Caribbean destination that should not be missed. With its iconic pitons, lush rainforests, and stunning beaches, St. Lucia offers visitors the chance to unwind in paradise while taking in some of the Caribbean's most spectacular scenery. In summary, the Caribbean is home to a wide array of mind-blowing travel destinations that are a must-see in 2024. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or natural beauty, the Caribbean has it all.